But I always tell people, don't get in a hurry. I mean, typically, after most of our storms, there's not something that really requires immediate attention on the majority of roofs. There are a few roofs, you've got an active leak, you've got something needs to be touched up, you got a tree fell, you've got a little hole in your roof, something like, obviously those are emergency type repairs. Those need to be taken care of, but they don't need to be taken care of by one of these people that's knocking on your doors, okay?